Here's an example of a constant series with sigma notation. If you remember sigma, this represents the sum. And then you have the bottom number of 1, and then some top number up here is where you stop. And then we have our explicit formula that we would substitute in. In this example, this is a constant series. The explicit formula is a constant, so there's nothing to substitute in. And then the top number is 5. So how we say this is you take this value of 3 and continue adding it 5 times because this is our top number where we stop. So we could add 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, which is 15. So that's the sum. Or you can take the number of terms, which is 5, and multiply it by the constant 3. Now below, this explains the formula. So if you have a constant series sigma, what you can do is take the top number where you stop and the constant and multiply them together. Or list out the constant all the way through how many terms you have and then add them up. The formula will be much faster for you. So here's the formula in the box. N times C. Here's an example of a constant series. So if we were to write out this series, the constant is 4. So we take 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus dot, 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 dot to the last term. And there are 60 of these. Well, instead of adding that up into our calculator, we can instead just go 4 times 60, which is 240. So the sum of these 60 terms is 240. So here's the explanation of the two different methods. Multiply 60 times 4, which is 240, or take 60 plus 60 plus 60 is 240. I would prefer you to use this formula, to not expand it out.